Hey guys, it's Kristina. So today I have another try-on haul for you guys with some stuff I just got in the mail. So first, I wanted to show you what I got on Amazon. So first of all, I got these leggings to work out in, which by the way, if you guys want to see some fitness routines, definitely let me know in the comments down below, like what exactly you want to see, like for abs, for a good butt, for whatever. If you guys want to see like Zumba dance routines, let me know as well. But these are from Her Fancy. Like I said, I found them on Amazon, and I will link them for you guys down below. They had great reviews and they were only like $28 or $29, like not even $30. They're super stretchy and very thick, and I like how they have this thick band around the waist to kind of like suck you in. And they also have side pockets, which is the main reason I wanted them. So if you're going jogging, you can put like your phone in there, like to listen to music, or if you're running errands or something like that before the gym, you can put your phone in there, your credit card. It's just a useful thing to have instead of bringing a wallet. So I will try these on for you guys with my little sports bra that I have from my Shopify, the signature one, so you guys can see what they look like on. And definitely check them out. Like I said, I will link them down below. Also, as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the little notification bell so you're always notified whenever I post a new video. And if you want to add me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, it's all at K3Chocolate. I also stream on YouNow. You can find me on there as well. So I will link all of those down below. Then also from Amazon, I ordered a clear case for my computer. Let's see if I can open this with my nails without scissors. There's more packaging. Anyways, it's just a clear case and I like the look of it. They did have more colors, but it was only like, they had a ton of different other colors, but I wanted the clear one, and it was only like $20, I don't think. I will link it down below, but it was something around $20, which is awesome because it's a different kind of plastic that will last longer because it's a little bendy. The case that they sold me at the Apple store when I bought my laptop was more of the like harder plastic, so it cracks very easily, and it was like $40 or $50, which I only got it because it was right there on the spot, and I don't want to scratch my new laptop while waiting for something in the mail. But literally it cracked so bad, like fuck that case. So this one's way better. I've ordered this one before, so check it out. Then I've got a package from Pixi, which by the way, this is my PO Box 252. So if you guys want to send me any mail, any letters, I will put the address down below in the info box as well as over here. So you can just send me all of that. Let's see. This is like a cute travel bag. This is fancy. Ooh, I love it. First of all, I love Pixi skincare. Ooh, this is actually like personalized. It says, "Dear Kristina, bon voyage, safe travels. I wish you a rosy journey and hope my rose-infused favorites will take you on a hydrated journey to your dream skin. Thank you for all your Pixi love." This is so cute. There's a little pocket right there for you to put like your bobby pins or whatever. I always wanted one of these to travel with. So handy. So you have the rose cream cleanser. You have the rose ceramide cream. You have the rose tonic, the signature, of course. The makeup melting cleansing cloths. You have the rose glow spray, the rose caviar essence, which I've tried before and I love it. And I love this one as well, the rose flash balm. I have two of these in my bathroom right now. I'm using both of them for some reason. I opened both of them, but that is my staple like every day. I love it. I also have this one, rose oil blend, which even if you have oily skin like me or combination, don't be scared of oils. They're really, really good for you. Trust me, like once you moisturize your skin enough, your skin will thank you and it will stop getting oily. Like at least just do it like on your off day. Don't put it underneath makeup, but just like on an off day, or if you go to bed or something, trust me, oil is your friend. What's this last one? Makeup fixing mist. So I love all of this. I will link the whole rose collection for you guys in the info box down below. Definitely check it out. Like I said, Pixi is my favorite. I love, love, love their skincare, so bomb. Then I've got this cute package from CoverGirl. So, and this one we actually have Quest bars. I love, love, love Quest bars. They're so good. Their cookies are amazing and very, very healthy. They have so many good flavors. This is the birthday cake one. I love this one. And the chocolate chip flavor protein cookie. So if you go into the gym, you can just enjoy a little cookie afterwards and not feel bad about it. You know, it's still protein. It's got 15 grams of protein. Less than 1 gram of sugar and 9 grams of fiber. No gluten. Very important because I don't need that. Soft and chewy, and then 21 grams of protein in this little bar. So basically this is their New Year resolution campaign to help you stay healthy, eat healthy, and also stay active while keeping your makeup on fleek. So we have Outlast Active Cooling Setting Mist Spray, we have the Lash Blast Active Mascara, and then the Get In Line Active Liner, which I'm actually running out of liner right now, so this is like perfect timing, but this is probably waterproof, so I have to be prepared. And then some cute little hair ties as well to prepare you for the gym. That's so cute. So I will link those products for you guys down below as well from CoverGirl and the Quest Nutrition Bars. Then I got this cute little manicure set where you can do your own designs. And they send like a little candy. So this is from Maniology. So this is a nail stamping kit. So you get the nail stamps, the instructions, this little holder, I'm going to have to read the instructions, and then 2 colors of polish, which this one actually looks like the one I have on because I pay to get like a gel manicure at the salon. This is like a clear gel, it's not shellac, it's clear, and it's like $50, like $55 I think, plus tip. I'm like, girl, just for a fill, like that is insane. I mean, they do a good job. It's like the salon down the street, but that's a lot. And they'll charge you even more for design. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna do my own. Like, so I will definitely be using this. And if you guys want to see some tutorials, I think this is pretty cool. Let me know in the comments down below, and I will definitely do them. And then, last but not least, I got an invisible shield screen protector for my phone, which is like a glass one because I need it. And this one is from Zag, so they actually sent me a replacement because I lost my phone on New Year's. So I had to call my insurance, get a new phone, and of course I lost the thing on it. So I just put in an order with them online and they just sent me a replacement, which is really cool. So if you guys want to check them out, I will link them below as well. So that is all for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, all the links will be down below in the info box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, so we can be friends. I always post stories, what I'm up to. Hit me on Snapchat. Let me know what you guys want to see next in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you guys.